In today's video, I'm just going to teach you how to process employee leave in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to assign a leave type to an employee, choose how it accrues, and save it so it flows through to your payroll. Start on your Xero dashboard and head straight to the payroll area. This is your central hub for anything related to pay runs, employees, and leave. From there, open the employees section. You'll see your employee list. Select the person who needs a leave type assigned. If you have a long list, use the search or filters to find them quickly. Inside the employee's profile, switch to the Leave tab. This is where you manage the types of leave the employee can accrue and take. Click Assign Leave Type to begin setting one up. In the Leave Type dropdown, choose the option that matches your policy or the legislation you are following. For this walkthrough, we'll pick compassionate leave as an example, but the process is the same for other leave types you've enabled. Next, select the leave calculation method. This determines how the leave will build up over time. Choose Fixed Amount. Each period, if you want the system to allocate a consistent accrual every pay run. This is handy when your policy states a clear yearly entitlement that needs to be spread evenly across the year's pay periods. Now enter the hours accrued annually. Think of this as the total number of hours the employee should receive for the year. If your policy is written in days, convert those days into hours based on the employee's standard workday. Accuracy here ensures accruals look right in each pay run and the balance matches your policy. Then enter the opening balance. This is how many hours the employee already has available at the point you're setting this up. If they're new and haven't accrued any yet, you can leave this at 0. If you're migrating from another system, bring over the correct balance so there's no disruption for the employee. When everything looks good, click Save. You should now see the new leave type listed in the Employees Leave tab with the method and balances you entered. From this point forward, Xero will accrue the leave automatically according to your settings each pay period. If something changes, like a policy update or a correction to opening balances, you can return to the same place, adjust the values, and save again. That's all there is to it.